Hey, what's going on YouTube? How are you? And welcome back. We're gonna make our own cross-platform application using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS in Electron. Sorry. Now, what Electron is? It's it is used for making your own platform applications in JavaScript and HTML along with CSS. Now, it uses the Node and Chromium 58.0.3. I don't know what the fuck it is, and it has been used for making the desktop application using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. It's really very easy to use also. And here is how some applications that are being made using the Electron, including Atom and Visual Studio Code. These both are being created using Electron.js. Now, for doing this, we need to have the Node.js installed. So just go to the node.js.org and download the latest or stable version that you want to use. And this is automatically going to track what type of architecture you're using. For me, it's detected it is a x86 Windows, so you can just download the recommended version for it. So after doing this both steps, come back and I would like to show you about how to check out if they both are installed perfectly or not. So you don't need to download anything, just go in the command prompt and type npm -v and press enter. Now this will return the version of Node Package Manager installed in your system, which is important for installing Electron library. So it will give me the version of my npm. I hope so. Okay, it's taking time. I don't know why. So, and you can see it says the current version install of npm. Now it's time for taking out the Node version installed. I will just going to type node -v and we will get our current node installed. And it says version 6.11.3. It's a stable version actually, but it's an old one. So that's all that you need to do, and in the next video we're gonna make our first hello world application. Till then, see you soon in the next video.